adolescence can be such an overwhelming time. And today, the pressures, especially for teenage girls, are huge. Stress at school, concerns about the future, body image worries, online and offline bullying and harassment, early sexualization, crippling comparisons to filtered images that simply are not real. And the natural sum of all of that is a crisis in confidence in so many girls, and worst case, mental health issues. So feelings of worthlessness, inability to concentrate, stress, anxiety, those things have been on the rise in our young girls at an alarming rate in recent years. And it is a problem we have to go to work on. So the messages in the Fearless Girls course are precisely the messages that we need to deliver and reiterate again and again and again.